Hello everyone. Welcome to Facebook page and YouTube channel Ratha. On this video, I will show you about Microsoft is renaming from Azure AD to Entra ID on July 11, 2023. Everyone known already about Microsoft Azure AD, now it become to Microsoft Entra ID. 1. Is Azure AD free? Now it changed to Microsoft Entra ID free. 2. Azure AD Premium P1 also included in Microsoft 365 E3, now it become to Microsoft Entra ID. Free also included in Microsoft 365 E3. 3. Azure AD Premium P1 also included in Microsoft 365 E3, now it become to Microsoft Entra ID. Free also included in Microsoft 365 E3. 4. Azure AD External Identities, now it become to Microsoft Entra External ID. What does this mean for Azure AD customers? If you are a current Azure AD customer, you will not need to take any action as a result of the name change. All of your configurations and integrations will continue to work as they do today. The only thing that will change is the name of the product. You will start seeing the new name in Microsoft product experiences in August 2023. Licensing plans and pricing for Azure AD and Microsoft 365 plans that include Azure AD will remain the same, with only the display names for the licensing plans being updated. The mapping from the current Azure AD SKU names to the new SKU names under Microsoft Entra ID will be provided for easy reference. Service plan display names will change on October 1, 2023. Why is Microsoft changing the name? Microsoft introduced the Microsoft Entra product family in 2022. The family includes Azure AD, Microsoft Entra Permissions Management, Microsoft Entra Verified ID, Microsoft Entra ID Governance, Microsoft Entra Workload ID, Microsoft Entra Internet Access, and Microsoft Entra Private Access. The name change to Microsoft Entra ID reflects the fact that Azure AD is now just one product in the Microsoft Entra family. The new name also makes it easier to understand the scope of the product and its capabilities. What are the benefits of the new name? The new name has several benefits, including: it makes it easier to navigate and use all products and capabilities in the Microsoft Entra portfolio. It ensures that you have the strongest protections for any access point. It standardizes the use of the term ID for all Microsoft Identity products. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe for more video technology.